Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Ninja Gaiden 4 game crashing, not loading, not launching, lagging, black screen or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The first method is to restart the game. For that, first select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller. Then select quit. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, move to the next solution. The next is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings. Now choose device and connections. Click on Blu-ray. Here select persistent storage. Then select clear persistent storage. Next solution is to check internet option. For that, open Xbox menu. Then select settings. Then select network settings. Then click on test network connection. Then wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next method is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next solution is to check for Ninja Gaiden 4 update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating, check if the problem is fixed. Next is to clear cache of Ninja Gaiden 4. For that, press Xbox guide, then click on My Games and Apps, then tap on See All. Here search for Ninja Gaiden 4 game, then press Menu. Now choose Manage Games and Add-ons. Then tap on Save Data and click on Reserved Space, and finally tap on Clear Reserved Space. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next, go to Account, then click on Remove Accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select Remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. For that, first press Settings on your Xbox, then select System and then select Updates. Here check if any update is available and then click it to begin the updating process. Once the updating process is finished, now check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, then go to Profile and System, then click on Settings, then click on System, then click on Storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space and then launch the game and see if it's working. If not, next is to reinstall Ninja Gaiden 4 game. For that, press Xbox button to controller, move to My Games and Apps and select See All option. Here select Ninja Gaiden 4, then press menu button, then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Ninja Gaiden 4 official website and download the game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Just go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will resolve it from their end, and you can easily play the game without any further problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.